HTML headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important headings, while H6 defines the least important headings. So here is the source code of the heading. H1, heading 1. Close H1, followed by H2, heading 2, H3, heading 3, H4, heading 4, H5, heading 5, and H6, heading 6. Okay, all you have to do is to click File and click Save. To check the output of your activity, double-click the file, and then it will display your output on a browser. So as you can see, heading 1 displays the biggest output, while heading 6 displays the smallest output. Browsers automatically add some white space before and after a heading or a margin. H1 headings should be used for main headings, followed by H2 headings, then the less important headings, H3, and so on. You can add styles in headings. So for example, to go back to your source code, and then inside the H1 or the heading tag, to type style, equal sign, quotation mark, background dash color, colon, blue, for example. Then close quotation mark. So this is the source code. Style equals quotation, background, minus color, colon, blue, and then close quotation. To click Save or Control S, then refresh your browser to display the changes in the output. So as you can see, H1 or the heading 1 displays a background color, which is the color blue. The HTML style attribute is used to add styles to an element such as color, font, size, and more. So for example, I want to change the color of a certain paragraph. So I will add P, I am normal, close the paragraph tag, then open another paragraph, and then I will add style inside the paragraph tag. So style equals quotation mark color, colon, for example, I will use red this time, semicolon, then close quotation mark, and then I will say I am red. Then I will close the paragraph also. You can also use the style to change the font size. So for example, paragraph tag, then style, font, size, 50 pixel for example. Then I will say I am big. Then I will also close the paragraph tag. Once I save this source code, go to your browser, click the refresh tab, and as you can see, there's an output saying I am normal, I am red with the color red, and I am big with 50 pixels as its size. That's all for today. Thank you.